Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from RBC Royale to RBC. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the simple steps on how to send money, first thing to do is to open the RBC mobile app and sign in. From there, tap on Move Money in the navigation bar. Then from there, select transfer between my account, then choose the form and to account, then enter the amount, and if desired set the frequency, then review the details and confirm the transfer. And if you want to send to another RCB Royal client account, here's a simple guide on how to do that. Open the RCB mobile app and sign in to your account, then tap on Move Money in the navigation bar, then select Send to an RCB client, then choose the From account and enter the amount. Then for the to field, select an existing recipient or tap Add recipient to enter the new recipient details, then review the information and tap on Send Now. And that's how to send money from RBC to RBC account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.